Hi, I'm Keegan Palladino, and today I'll be showing you how to create a chart in Microsoft Excel 2016. To get started, open up Excel. We're going to select a blank workbook. There's going to be some data you want to use. We're going to use grades, and we're going to use how they line up against each other from semester 1 to semester 2. To save some time, I've gone ahead and already added that to an Excel document. Before we get started, there's a few things to note. These titles here are going to be the main titles for this data. And these cells here are going to contain the titles for these data groups. To use the data in a chart, we need to select the data we'd like to use. We are going to select everything here as it will be used in the chart. After you've selected the data you'd like to use, go to the Insert tab. Here you can see there's recommended charts, there's pie charts, and there's also these column and bar charts. We are going to use a bar chart. Here you can see there's a few different types. We will select this one. After you have created your chart, once you select it, you can see that there's some different places that it grabs the data from. If you make any errors, you can easily go through and you can modify them here, or if you'd like to extend your chart, there are also methods you can use, such as this option here, which looks like a funnel. This is what you can use to filter data. When we click here, we can see different options for what we can select, so we can see specifically it, or we can deselect all, so we can selectively choose the data we'd like to see. You can also click here and change the data. This means that this is sheet 1 and data A1 to G3. Along with changing the range, you can also change the style of your graph so that it can look different. Using this tool here, which looks like a paintbrush, you can change the style to a different style which appeases your appetite, or you can change the color scheme. These are all the different colors for your different color schemes. One thing we haven't done yet is change the title. If you already have your chart selected, single click and you will be able to edit your title. Here we'll name it My Grades. If you accidentally end up deleting this, you can click on this plus button, which you can use to modify the elements, and you can select your chart title to add it back, and all you have to do is rename it. This has been a short introduction on how to create a chart in Microsoft Excel 2016 and how to edit some elements. Thank you for your time.